I've got two opportunities, and this is also from the Endeavor side that I've got two companies. I've interviewed in two companies, and I was accepted by two companies at the same time. And absolutely, you can trust Endeavor for this. They will absolutely make you perfect for this job. Yeah, good morning, guys. My name is Sayantan Bose. I have started my career starting from the Endeavor. This is a right opportunity for me today to share with you some important things about Endeavor, about my journey, how I have started in this particular segment. I'm in the medical profession I'm talking about. Right now, I'm working in Ipca Laboratories for 1 year and 7 months, something like that. And my previous company that I've worked with, that was Wokhard Limited, that is on the gynae division. Same here on Kolkata, on South Kolkata. But talking from the beginning, when I have started, I was having some issues to interact with people and having some good conversation and breaking all the some barriers. Something like, for example, whenever I'm going to an interview, some questions when they were asking from their side, it is much difficult from my side to answer every particular questions properly. So in that case, what I have done, I can't remember properly. Someone have told me about there is an institution called Endeavor is there in South Kolkata and North Kolkata. I think what I can remember today, that time it was only on the North Damdam, and Raivale sir was there and Namrata madam was there. At that time, I have I went there. I have taken through all the sessions, and what I have learned, what they have given to me, it's what I was saying, it's totally blank inside that time, from my side. And that time, what I can remember is his name was Mr. Ghosh. Mr. Ghosh sir was there. He was taking all the sessions. So from the beginning, from the basics, I have learned everything from him. So basic from the science or whatever that is, because I am from the science background, but that is not it. I have to learn many other things apart from that, from the medical side, from the doctor's perspective, from the perspective of the market, how the pharma industry rules everything. So Endeavor plays a very important role, whatever I am right now, for this. So thank you very much, Endeavor, for doing such a great job. Even though they are doing right now also, a lot of my friends I have suggested to go there to have learn everything from them, because it is very much beneficial. Now talking about the profession of medical representative, people will say this is very hard. People will say this is very difficult, because nowadays it is very much challenging. Yes, of course it is challenging, but nothing is very interesting without there is a challenge. So of course there are challenges, there are barriers, there are problems, but absolutely it's an enjoyable job. And the people who are absolutely happy to go from roaming around and to meet new people, meet to new places, that should be a very, very much good seeking job for them, what I will say. And the other thing is that a lot of things that you can learn from here, and a lot of relations you can make with the top side doctors, some big number of chemists and stockists and all these things. I have started from 2016, and my first company what I can remember is it was NutriSynapse. I have got two opportunities, and this is also from the Endeavor side that I've got two companies. I've interviewed in two companies, and I was accepted by two companies at the same time. One was Novo Medicamo Private Limited was there, and NutriSynapse was there, and in both are the different locations. So I have chosen one and I have joined there, and after that partially I have changed after some time, 1 year and 1.5 year I have changed, and now right now I am in Ipca Laboratories Limited in diabetic division. The future planning that I am thinking about, that right now I am working more than 4 years as a medical representative. So in the near future I want to be, right now for this moment I want to be a ABM, and near future I want to be more further or second line or something like that, but I haven't think about it. I'm just thinking about the ABM portion right now for this time. So guys who wants to join in this profession, let me tell you one thing very clear, that if you like challenges, if you want to meet new people, if you want to if you want adventures in your life, in your like profession like that, so you can absolutely join in this. And there are good number of growth, good amount of growth is there, good amount of future you can like assemble in your future for from this profession starting with. So absolutely best of luck to all of you if you want to join in this profession. As I told you, I am working like more than 4 years. So I will not say that I am having a very good career, not like that. It's depending upon people to people, but absolutely your journey is depending upon you only. Okay, so within this I will end all my things from my side. That's it. And again, thank you very much Endeavor for giving me a chance to talk about this. And absolutely you can trust Endeavor for this. They will absolutely make you perfect for this job. Thank you.